2020 has been a crazy year for all of us. But thanks to the preparation for Spirit Week, we had temporarily forgotten how bad 2020 has been. Now, it is our great pleasure to announce you the winners of the Spirit Week. Oh yeah, don't forget to clap your hands. Yeah, we're talking to you. Make sure you don't forget to clap your hands. As can be. Never been sleepier. Monday's elementary Mojama Day Award goes to Noah Kleshmet Levine and Aaron Rowe. The winners of the secondary Mojama Day are Arfaso Shiguti and Jihoon Ho. The teacher that came out victorious for Mojama Day is Señorita Martin. Give the winners a round of applause. Moving on to the most exciting day from Spirit Week, in my opinion, Fashion Disaster. For our winners from elementary, we have Aiden Lim and Sian Lee. Congratulations. And from our secondary, we got Emily Dilmuth and Brendan Bang. Congratulations. And finally, for our teachers, we got Miss Tessinger. Congratulations.
Due to some technical difficulties, I'll be covering over this announcement. Upcoming, you should visit the hair salon or else you'll never get married. The Wednesday's Wacky Hair Day Award for the elementary goes to Ashlyn Leon and Jade Webb. Sorry if I get your names wrong. The secondary winners are Shalom Augustine and Haman Rowe. Having what can only be seen as a hair smoothie growing out of her head. Give it up for Miss Vivian. Congratulations.
Would you go back in time or would you go to the future? Me personally, I would go back in time and stop myself from shooting the TikTok video. Yeah, I'm never doing that again. Anyway, for our winners of Thursday's Time Traveling Day, we got Tammy Park and Jisuk Ha. Congratulations. And for our secondary, we got Addison Lim and Brian Lee.
Last but not least, our time traveling teacher award goes to elderly Miss Song. Congratulations.
Every class dressed in a unique color to show unity and strong friendship. All the classes dressed fantastically. The but unfortunately, there can only be 2 classes remaining. The winners of Friday's class holiday are... The winners are going to be announced after a short break. The winners of Friday's class holiday are 4th and 6th grade. Congratulations, you guys deserve it.
You're just too good to be true.
This year's Spirit Week was a remarkable, incredible, but yet embarrassing experience. We all did our best, we all did well, and we all deserve a reward. Thanks to everyone who participated in 2020 Spirit Week, and see you next year.
And I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off